Hello everyone and welcome back. Wanted to post a quick video saying that there's not going to be the usual farmhouse video this weekend. I just got back from the tent, got back here, brought the air conditioning unit up from downstairs because Melissa's going to need that later this week. Took a shower, got the barbecue going because this afternoon I have to go back down to the camper for work this week. Yesterday we actually got some rain here, which we got nothing up at the tent. It is so dry up there, and it was here too, but about a ½ inch fell yesterday. You can already see the yard needs to be mowed, so by next weekend, the whole weekend's just going to be about getting everything under control and mowed and looking good for the first time this spring. Melissa picked up all the fertilizer she needs to condition the bales. I got the water turned on and a hose run out here because this is a whole different water supply. So that's all ready to go. It's supposed to be in the mid to upper 70s, maybe even an 80-degree day this week, which is going to be, I mean, everything's going to grow like crazy now. I would say it'll probably be another week and a half, and the potatoes should start popping out of the ground. And all the trees are starting to green up. Spring is definitely here. Even though there won't be a longer farmhouse video this week, I do have one video for Joe and Zach Survival up at the tent, and one here for Northern Seclusion for the tent. Melissa never did end up making it up there. She hasn't felt very good this weekend, but she was planning on it, so I filmed it 2 different videos like I would usually do, and couldn't switch that back. So you'll get those 2. I've got a short. I have another series that's going to be called Camper Cooking. I'll have that going. So it's not like you won't get any videos. You're just not getting a longer farmhouse video.
2 weeks for a bowling match?
Melissa's newest pet. We'll talk about this in next weekend's video. What kind of a rabbit is it?
A Holland Lop.
A Holland Lop.
I don't even need Saturday off. Why not?
Free fertilizer.
Yeah, that's true. There are actually some people that watch the channel. They live down in Elk River, and they have, I think they're New Zealand black rabbits. And I was supposed to get some before, and then I don't know, there was Louisiana was going on, and anyway, I need to get a hold of them, and I want to get a pair of those also. It is such a nice day today, and I really want to mow bad, but I just do not have the time. The job that I have going this week for work is maybe 45 minutes south of the cities. So from up here, if I were to drive down, like stay today and then leave in the morning, I would have probably a 3-hour and 20-minute drive, and I'm just not going to do that.
Oh, well, I did sort of promise him that you would. Well, you had no right to promise him I'd do anything.
Okay, everyone. Well, thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned. A lot of videos coming up. I will see you guys on the next video.